Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm gonna show you another dashcam. It's a SENDOW mini dashcam Full HD 1080p. Hope you guys like this video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay guys, let's have a look what's in the box. Because I can, let me speed the video for you. And there you go guys, SENDOW dashcam Full HD 1080p, WDR technology, HDR. He has a time-lapse feature, motion detection, the G sensor of course to lock your files in case of an accident. It also has a 6 glass lens and the field of view is 150 degrees wide angle. So in the box you will find a user manual in English and Chinese, the dash camera of course, come back to it in a minute. There is also the suction cup mount, which in this particular case it's a quick release mount. You press that tab there and the camera will slide out. The power cable always stay plugged into the mount, so you don't need to worry about that. This is good if you need to remove your camera quick, if you leave your car in a dodgy area. Comes with a USB lead, regular one, it's mini USB, and this is the car charger with an extra USB in case if you need to charge any other device. And there you go guys, the SENDOW mini dashcam. Comes in the matte black finish, which I think is very good. It's very discreet. Has the 2 infrared in the front. According to the manufacturer, he has a super night vision function. Connected to the suction cup mount, infrared, a speaker or a vent, there's a microphone, 4 buttons at the bottom. There's also 2 buttons right next to the screen, video and photo. It looks really good, this camera. The camera has also a USB connector in case you want to take the camera home and plug it to your computer, for example, and leave the suction cup in the car. There is also a HDMI connector and the SD card slot behind this rubber flap. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's have a look at some footage from the camera. Lovely day on the M6. As you can tell, the field of view 150 degrees. It's quite good. You can also add your number plate to the footage. In my case, I just dropped my channel name Ryan IWK, which can't be set in the camera menus. Speaking of which, so let's plug this in. I'll leave a link for this camera in the video description. If you're wondering which power bank I'm using, it's a SENDOW power bank, 10,000 milliamps an hour. This camera has the typical menus that you'll find in any dashcam these days, so it's pretty standard. As of course the loop recording, it will start recording when the power is on, and vice versa. You can set the length of the files to 3, 2 and 1 minutes, HDR function, motion detection, and now let me pause the video because another clip will join pretty soon. Now, as you can see, there was a small jump, but no footage was lost. Okay guys, let's go back to the menus. I found that the G sensor in this camera is pretty sensitive. I noticed that a few files were locked reduce some potholes or bumps on the road. Like I mentioned before, this camera has a time-lapse function, which I never tried, to be honest with you. Apart from that, you have the language settings, time settings, and the function to add your license plate number. And that's pretty much it for the menus. Or you can also choose what you want on the screen, like date and time, logo, the SENDOW logo, and your number plate. Let's now have a look at the file details. This was recorded in 1080p HDR on. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video quality of this camera. Now let's do another test, a direct sunlight test on a very bright day, which is not very common in the UK. So you can see the reflection of the car dashboard in the windscreen, plus the shadow of the trees. So you go from a very bright scene to a more darker and less bright scene. Let's put it that way. I'll let you guys decide what you think about this. Now, even more tricky, where the sun is right in front of us. The camera does struggle a bit, but to be honest with you, I don't think it's that bad. Okay, now time for some night footage. Again, this was recorded in 1080p with the night vision on. To switch between night vision on and off, you just need to short press the power button while the camera is on. Now let me switch the night vision off. I haven't noticed any difference between night vision on or off. Now let's hear the camera's microphone. The sound you're hearing now is from the camera's microphone. And that's it guys, let's wrap this video. This was the SENDOW mini dashcam review. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video. If you do so, please leave it a thumbs up. I do have much more videos to upload. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I must say I really appreciate your support, your positive comments, and of course thank you very much for watching. Saying that, see you all in the next one.